Okay everybody, so we're gonna go out and run this Red Cat Racing Volcano. This is the new Volcano 16, but before you do that, in the kit they're giving you those LED lights. I would just want to show you guys how to install them. It's very simple, but you need to see what to do. It's there is this plug that go right there, but usually those wires are covering it, so you have to actually push it backwards and just plug this thing over there. But at the same time, those holes on the front, they are the holes for those LED lights. So all you need to do is kind of run this through here, run it here for the side, and then those LED lights, they kind of have like a weird shape. You're just gonna push them through again, and that's it. So again, I'm gonna do it closer to the camera, and then you take this, and all you need to do, the wire need to be long enough. You're gonna go through here, here's a hole, and you're gonna just push it in. It's easier to do than what I'm doing now because I'm looking for the camera lens to see that actually I'm showing this. Okay, and the second one don't really want to fit. Let's see, other way around. So the first one just slide in, the second one is not getting in because there is an extra plastic piece inside that I need to clean real quick. Let's clean it. I have an X-Acto blade here, but I'm not surprised. This is what happened when they do fast production. Nobody look to see like quality control. And you should watch this video because you will have the same exact problem. That's it. It just plugged in, and now you have the two LED lights that the factory could have put in for you for 2 seconds, but they didn't. And now we just need to plug this into place. Supposed to be a simple insert, but the plug is so tiny that it's very hard to actually put it in there. Okay, the plug is in. It was kind of hard to put it because it's super tiny and you don't really want to go to the place where it's supposed to be. And then when you're gonna turn on the car, of course you have to plug both wires together. Now the on-off button is here. It's not a switch, it's an on-off switch. Don't know what it's doing. I guess it's looking for the remote. Now when it's bind, it's actually gonna have the light on, and actually pretty bright. Now it's kind of look nicer. So let's take it outside and see how this thing going to perform. Okay, so we're gonna do the first run over here in the curb. It's actually pretty fast for a small car. Very torquey. I was sure it's going to be more disappointing, but this, is awesome. I just flipped it. This is how much torque it's got. Man, this thing have a lot of torque. just a little bit kick in there, it's okay. Again, backflip. Aha, definitely works. Let's try a backflip sideways so you guys can see it. So here it is. I was having a lot of doubts if this thing gonna be just another lame toy, but it seems to be that it's a lot of fun and it can take abuse. I was hitting the curb on purpose, jumping it, abusing it, and I did not succeed to break anything, although I was just hitting the wall going straight full power. This is pretty awesome. So it's definitely got kind of my recommendation. Now I'm gonna just look to see if anything broke or crack, and I don't think nothing happened actually, so it's pretty awesome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage, showing you a little bit about this little new car from Red Cat Racing. Bye.